Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you in depth, step by step, exactly how I have made $1,100 in one day with one affiliate offer using Google Ads. So stay tuned until the end because I'm going to show you exactly each step. So as you can see over here, the payment was 977 euros, so that's almost over 1,100 US dollars. So this was done with one affiliate offer. So if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie watching this video and you're wondering how to start having results using only Google Ads as your traffic source, then watch this video until the end because each step is going to be in depth about how to use each traffic source and how to utilize it so you can have success and also results as a newbie, as someone who wants to have results with affiliate marketing. So let me share first thing over here. So we are in Keyword Planner, right? If you are in, if you have your Google Ads account, go into Google Keywords Planner. Now you can choose your language. I'm using my language here, as you can see. But what you can do here is, let me show you what happens, right? You can see over here we have, for example, keto diet. This is our keyword, right? And you can see over here the meaning of this word, if you put it in the English, is how many people are basically searching for the specific keyword every single month. So per month we have from 100,000 people to 1 million people searching for keto diet, right? So it means it's a huge potential because 1 million people searching for some keyword on Google. And if you know anything about Google and traffic sources, right? Let me tell you this. Google, it's all about intent. This is the magic secret word, right? It's called intent. What is intent? Intent behind something, right? The highest intent that the person have, right? Buying intent, buyer's intent. Then of course, the higher chance there is of you getting paid, getting money, right? Affiliate commissions and getting sales. Why? Because everyone who's going on Google is there searching for solutions to their problems, to their pains, right? So they're looking for a keto diet. Now there could be many different things. Could be a digital product, could be a physical product, could be retreat, whatever, right? Seminar. There are many different products that you can promote as an affiliate with Google Ads, right? In this case, for example, weight loss, keto diet. You can see how much do you have to spend. Let's have a look, right? For example, $0.95, so almost $1 per click. So it means that if you're spending, let's say, $100 in a day, or if you spend $25 in a day, right, you would get 25 leads, 25 clicks, right? Out of 25 clicks, for example, if you're promoting, let's say, a weight loss offer for $100, if you have one sale, you spend $25 per day in a day, and you make $100 back with one sale, right? So you basically made, let's say, well over $70 in profit, right? Promoting that product, spending 25 US dollars. So you have made over $70 in a day profit with one sale only, right? So you can see if you want your ad to appear at the top of the Google, right? Google page, on the first page, then you have to pay $7 per click. So there is the magic, there is the trick that's coming right now, and I'm going to share it with you. What you can do is go deeper, right? Everyone is superficial, right? Everyone is going for superficial words like weight loss, how to lose weight, how to make money, right? Those are all superficial words, right? It's all, there is no depth to it, right? But once you understand that there are people in those niches who are smart, who are looking for a specific solution, and they are deep into those stuff, for example, deep into yoga, deep into spirituality, deep into make money online, deep into weight loss, right? So if you understand the audiences and do some kind of audience research, then you can have better results because you can also target better keywords that 99% of other affiliates, right, who are, let's say, lazy, are not targeting, so you can get results from those keywords, right? So I'm giving my students all the time these kind of keywords with depth, right? Different keywords that they can use and apply them to start having faster results from the get-go, right? As they begin running their ad campaign on Google, and in the first 24 to 48 hours, in 2 days, right, to have already first ClickBank sales or max web sales or whatever network you're using, right? Because there are many affiliate networks out there. So you can do that, and then you can put different keywords, right? How to get rid of back pain, for example. And then you can just find those different keywords, right? You can just go and find it, and you will see different categories of those keywords, right? So this is how you do it, right? Now another thing I want to share with you is Google advertising policies, right? Most of gurus, most of people on YouTube or Facebook, they're not sharing those stuff. Why? Because they don't care about, let's say, doing it white hat, right? In affiliate marketing, you have black hat marketing and you have white hat marketing, right? White hat is sticking to the rules or trying to stick to the rules so you can run successful campaigns long term, right? Long term is the key, so that you have those results long term, right? Not just for one day or 1 week. So you see, it's really important to understand what kind of content you are putting on your websites, on your pre-sale pages, right? Most people don't understand that landing page is not copy and paste thing, right? Landing page, if you really want to have results with it, if you want strangers to buy from you online from your website or a blog or a tutorial or whatever, right? Or listicles, what you have to understand is that if you have the right message to market match, then of course people or strangers are going to buy from your website. Why? Because you are connecting with them on the deep emotional level, right? They can see that you understand their problems better than them. So in that case, remember, it's not just any text that you put on your pre-sale page, right? Like the name says itself, pre-sale page, right? Pre-sale, it means that you have to pre-sell with your content, right? That's why 99% of the affiliates who are buying these clickbank courses are failing and losing time and money, because they don't understand that you cannot just use templates. You have to have original content on Google. If you want to run YouTube ads or Facebook or Google ads, right, you need to have original, new, fresh content, which is also pre-sale content, right? The name of the game is pre-sale, right? You have to pre-sell. Imagine this. Let's say, basically, let me show you here. Let me show you here in PowerPoint. Let me show you this, right? Right, we have to do audience research. We have the mini website and pre-sale content. So imagine this, right? We have, let's say over here, we have golf, right? We are playing golf. So here is the hole, right? Imagine this is the hole over here. So for this to have, for the ball, right, to come into the hole, we have to do a little push, right? We have to give it a push with the stick. So for that to happen is the same thing in marketing, right? Online, doing affiliate marketing. If your content is pushing people next to the hole, right, to the end result to buy the product, then of course you will have better results than someone else who is pushing them away with their content, right? Because remember, strangers need to feel connection, right? Some kind of emotional connection in their brain when they are looking on your mini website and seeing, this can solve my pain, this can solve my problem, right? Or this can be a huge opportunity, right, for me as I'm watching this video or as I'm watching this ad or reading through the ad, right? So remember, pre-sale content is really important to have the right pre-sale page. So if you're watching this video, if you want to know how to put it together, step by step, how to get it done for you, and not only that, but done with you, because I can tell you this, the biggest problem with online courses is that there is no personal hand-holding. There is no personal one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one support, right? And if you're serious, if you have some kind of money to invest, and how much money do you need to start with? Well, of course, there is the price for the course or mentorship, but additionally to that, you need at least $25 per day per ad campaign, right? So you need $25 per day per ad campaign, and from there you can scale up and start having this kind of $100, even $1,000 days, right? So this is really important, and to be in the niche which is evergreen and very profitable, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to have results on your own and personal support, personal help, then do let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me, and over here you can also find me on my Instagram, right? You can find me over here. So just to reach out to me and ask me any questions you have, but only if you are serious, right? And I think you are, because you're watching this video right now. If you're serious, and you have some money to invest and also a little bit of time, then let me know, right? Click the links below this video, get in touch with me, and I will send you the details, information, how we are working together, how it works, how to get the right traffic, and how to start having results as a newbie with affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.